So, guys, I just noticed that I've been sitting on a broken kneeling shoe. I mean, come on. So, today we are going to be fixing it. So, let's run over to the doors. This is so heavy. This way because I don't have much room. Oh, yeah, that would probably be best. So basically what happens is I guess I bent it too far or something. But the leg is tilted. And we had gone to fix that. So I'm gonna dad a camera, that's real 50. And here's what I'm going to do. I am going to try to just hammer it back in place. But that may not work. Because I don't know how long it's been like this, but it's been like this for a couple days now. But we'll so. Let's put our weight on this and bend it back. Oh. Alright, so we fixed that part wrong. Now it's huge, so. This could be working, but, well, yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm going to. Well, oh, my dad's here.
You can just pause it. It's on.
My dad was just letting me know that he could film, which he is in the illness. But now what I'm gonna do to seal it is, well, we're gonna be putting one of these on because it's like the best Austin for now. Let's just see what I'm doing. Always now. This has to be totally centered. So now I'm gonna move that back a little bit. Try to. Alright, that's good. Let me make sure it is safe. Alright, that was safe to me, so I'm gonna wind these up. Alright. I might need to bend it a little bit, I don't know. Oh no, the tape that we put on this coming out. Oh well. This is so hard to do. I remember when we made this last year. It does not even feel like that long ago, but it is. Alright. Take my hand in a hammer and just try to bend it. I'm sorry. Not bend easily. And that would be good. So now that we know where we're going to put it, we are going to be using these shoes. They're nice shoes, and they're also easy to do. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using. I just hope that we had enough because we're gonna need 4. I don't know if we had 4 in here. So, can this open? Not good. We had a. Oh no, those are way too long. Not good. There'll be some more short ones. These short. Or then last time, let's see. No, okay. We may just have to use nails. Because I don't like using, but we may have to. Now, those will be pockets. There's 4 of them. I'm sealing these. Yeah, those will be with the pockets. So we're going to seal them from this. Can't believe I'm doing that. But these are actually for the Spice Boss. And they had the pocket is shoes.
Alright, what do you want me to do?
My dad's here now,
Hey guys.
helping with the new shoe project that we're doing today.
Yeah, I'm gonna take over filming so Jack has both hands.
Alright, so we need to find some shoes. Now we found 2 of the shoes that we need. Because, well, it will be like this weight to sew on that basket, but we need 2 more.
That's a good idea to reinforce it.
Yeah, because I think when I sat on it one time, it like bended too far.
Mm-hmm.
And I just did not notice it.
Well, we actually should have done this in the first place. That's a good idea to put those on. That was an early project, right?
Yeah, that was one of the first videos that we made.
So you got the second bracket there. You're going to put that on the other leg?
Wait. Those might be good.
Oh, yeah. Those would be good.
Alright, let's use these. Yeah, I can open them.
I'll get it open for you. All right, and then what else do you need? You need that second bracket?
Yeah. I think we have a lot of these.
And what tool are you going to use?
I'm gonna use use a screwdriver or a drill.
I would suggest a drill because it's hard to screw something like that. I'll get them started for you and you finish them, okay?
Okay.
All right. Are we ready to do the get started thing? Yeah, that's good. That's why we bought these, because we never used them.
They were for that closet that we did. Yeah, they were for that. The shelf.
Oh, we just never used it.
Yeah.
The hardest thing today is going to be opening this. I don't want to destroy the package, but I'm getting close to doing it.
Well, are we still helping me now? I mean, I had to hammer it and like push it to get it back in space.
There we go. Finally got it open.
Because, well, it was not wanting to listen to me.
Yeah.
None of this one force.
Oh, it's not the easiest to do this. So now we finish it again.
wasted the new seal.
Yeah, but you know what? You had a great idea to fix it, and we had the parts from a different project, so why not?
Yeah. This was the one that, well,
That had the injury.
that had the injury.
So we'll just do the other one because we don't want to ever have an injury, right?
Yeah.
It's a good idea with these screws.
They were ultimately. And plus they were for the silk that we made. But we never did it because, well, it was too small.
Right. I'm going to take over here so we can get a close up. You want the light on?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Hold it with 2 hands, the drill, so it doesn't move around. Can I show you a quick trick?
Sure.
Everybody's got to learn sometime, right? So I'm going to teach Jack a little trick about the drill. And you know what? Maybe this trick will help one of you guys.
I don't know how to.
Alright. So the best way to do any screw, because you see how it's stripping it?
Yeah.
You want to get it lined up right. Push down with this hand. So you like this, your weight's into it.
Alright, thank you.
And then, obviously, it's easier to do it this way, so.
Oh well. So put my hand on this.
Get it lined up in the groove first. Make sure it's fully seated.
Is it?
Alright, now push down with your hand like you're doing and just. Did it work?
Yep.
Told you.
Alright. Now you guys get to see what I'm doing. I never thought we would make another video on the kneeling seal.
Hey man, that kneeling stool's one of our first projects and we're going to keep it going.
Yeah, we should also like appear the tape that's coming off.
Yeah, I don't think I should have used tape on that, but I wanted to give it like a soft cushion. But
Well, when it's really hot,
yeah, it's not good.
Bones my
Alright.
butt.
You know what we could do? We could get some type of like fabric and staple it on. Or some type of like vinyl that's like waterproof. Yeah.
Maybe.
That would be another project.
Today's project.
Put it back in the groove one more time. And then hold the top. Nope, put your finger out and put some weight into it. There you go.
I just really hope this is more sturdy. I mean, this one is gonna be a little like tilt.
Yeah, that's
But
fine.
it-
That's definitely going to be sturdy now. I mean, that's a pretty strong bracket.
Yeah, we use these for the spice box too.
Yes, we did. I would put that on its end. Yeah, there you go. Be easier. You could do it that way, but hand on top. Yeah, there you go. Nailed
Right.
it.
Just to see if I can sit on it.
All right. The moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Woohoo!
Yay!
Much stronger
That's much stronger.
and much safer.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That's awesome.
Alright, I'm gonna ask you to like, subscribe, and put those notifications on.
Let us know if you like that tip about drilling or if you have any questions. Jack will be happy to answer because he's a professional now.
That was process in the emphasis of the wall out.